A COVID-19 home test. This video is an overview of how to use the test. Place the analyzer within 3 inches of your phone on a flat surface. Press the button to turn on the analyzer. Hold down the analyzer button until the light starts flashing quickly. Twist and pull the tab off the processing fluid container and carefully squeeze all fluid into the dropper. Insert the swab through the child's nostril until the child adapter on the swab touches the nose. Now gently rub the tip of the swab around the inside of the child's nose cavity 3 times and repeat this process in the other nostril. Remove the child adapter by pulling it to the side. Screw the swab into the dropper. Hold the dropper by the narrow section and squeeze 5 drops of fluid into the sample port of the analyzer. It will take 15 minutes for your results to appear in the app. Keep the analyzer next to your phone on a flat surface.